Okay. We all know our Harbor Freight stuff. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit this in, but let's see what we got here today. This is the 2800 Harbor Freight case, Pelican-esque. Generally, most of my stuff is Pelican, but I wanted something cheap for some quick transport. It's all moldable, which is great. Eventually plan on, should be good for this, or if I notch them down like this, probably fit maybe 4 in here, compacts, or you know, 21 bucks with the coupon. Can't go wrong. Pressure valve, spots for locks, Harbor Freight.